Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to fix low water pressure issue in faucet by replacing the aerator. I want to thank MOEN for their excellent customer support and the warranty they offer on most of their products. When I experienced the issue, I just contacted their customer support and they were nice enough to send me the replacement kit. You can Google MOEN Faucet customer service. Click on the customer support MOEN link. Scroll down to warranty information section. Click on read more. Scroll down to see the warranty information. Here you can see lifetime limited warranty, 5-year limited warranty, 10-year multi-family faucet limited warranty. Let's check out how slow is the water pressure and how to replace aerator. So it took 5.76 seconds. Let's check out what MOEN sent me in the kit. So they sent me an aerator kit to open. Sometimes the aerator won't come out even though you opened it. You can run the tap water and it will come out. So the orange one is new one, old one is black. This is how aerator key fits. Let's install it. Let's drain the water. See, the pressure is very good, both hot and cold water. Time to see if it fills the water in less time. Earlier it took 5.76 seconds. Check it out. Do you see the difference? Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.